Hey guys, this is the continuation of the Coburg Waterfront Festival, but it's for the evening for the fireworks. Mariana and I decided to come down to the beach area and set up camp. We'll show you exactly what we're going to be doing, and I hope you guys join us and come and watch the fireworks if they have them. We got a bit of a cloudy situation going on here right now, but we wish for the best, so stay tuned guys. Well guys, we are at the beach waiting for the fireworks. We have a set up camp. Yes, I'm cheating. I got a propane fire pit. And look at our situation over here guys. Okay? Look at that. Isn't this a lovely place? And the fireworks are way over there where that white trailer is guys. So that's where we're going to be watching, and hopefully the weather is going to be nice because I see these clouds over there but they seem to be blowing away, and I got some clouds. Say hi Mariana.
Hi.
Behind me as well. So stay tuned guys, we will be back and we'll see what happens. There we have it guys, we have a camp set up. We got a nice log behind us, 3 chairs, a cooler with water and drinks, and we have a little wagon there, and we have hot dogs and sausages so we can have a little bit of a meal later. I think that's well organized, wouldn't you say? Well guys, I hope you guys can hear me. I didn't have the microphone on. I got the microphone on wind noise now, so if you didn't hear me earlier, we are at the Coburg Beach. We're waiting for the fireworks, and we're having a little campsite. We're going to have a little bit of, if the weather holds up, we're going to have a little bit of something to eat here while we're waiting. Mariana's going to make some spider weenies, and we'll show you exactly how that's done. And I'm going to do some sausages on this little fire pit, propane fire pit that we got going on. So I just thought I'd stop by and say hello, and stay tuned. Well, the people are gathering on the beach guys, and the waves are starting to pick up over here. But we're waiting patiently. We got our trusty propane fire pit. Mariana set up a blanket over here. And yeah, I'm just sitting here. She had to go and get something, so I'm enjoying the beach side here. Just wanted to share this with you guys. I don't know if you guys can see it, but way back in the distance back there is a freight ship going across Lake Ontario here, guys. The sun is reflecting off of it. It's way out in the middle of the Lake Ontario. It should be pretty choppy out there, guys. We got white caps coming in, but the sun. Look what we got going on here. We got the sun coming out. So it's turning out to be a nice day. People out on the beach. We're just enjoying it here, guys. It's a nice little spot we have. It's not the whitest white of beaches it is, because that's part over there on the other side of this island here. There's beaches, there's sandy beaches over there. This is more like a sandy rock beach. So I just thought I'd share that with you guys. Well guys, we got some more people here on the beach. Mariana's chilling on her blanket. Say hi, Mariana. We got people swimming, people throwing rocks, and we got a sailboat out there, guys. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a sailboat out there. Yeah, slowly but surely the people will show up and we get to see the fireworks. There's people down there. Look like they're swimming. Everybody's enjoying themselves. There you go, guys. We got some Italian sweet sausage. It's gonna go on our little fire pit over here. There we are. I'm gonna cook this and we'll come back to you and we'll show you exactly what it looks like when we're done. Well, guys, I gotta say one thing. Look at the sky here in Coburg. We have a beautiful looking sky tonight. We had a little bit of rain and I just wanted to share this with you guys. Look at that, eh? Isn't that beautiful? Well, guys, we got people starting fires out here at the beach and getting ready for the fireworks, as well as us. We're Mariana and myself. We got our own fire and we got our sausages on here, and we're teasing everybody. So these are cooking very well. And we have a fire over here beside us. And she's starting to get a little bit dark. Well, I think it's going to be a little bit more darker before the fireworks start going off. We'll be back. Well, guys, I hope you guys are seeing what Mariana's got in her hand. This is the outcome of our barbecue. She's going to sample it and try it out to see what the sausages taste like by phone light down by the water. Are they good? Right on. I don't know if we can see these sausages. There's the other two on there, cooking nicely. So there you go, sausages by the water, waiting for the fireworks. Bon appetit, everyone. Mariana, how are you enjoying the sausages? I think she's mumbled underneath her breath. She said they're really good, guys. I enjoyed it too, guys. I think you'd rather see her mug than my face. We got the open fire going here. We have more people here joining the crowd. It is getting darker and darker, and I would imagine the fireworks will be going off here shortly. So stay tuned. The fireworks began, guys. Watch the show and enjoy. Fired off the first firework to let everybody know that they're getting ready, and we're sitting here waiting for the fireworks to go off again. People are happy. Today's July 1st, and there goes another one. There we go, guys. Enjoy the show. now. Are you recording some of this on your phone? Good. Sorry? Yeah, just be cautious because that's very hot, okay? And watch the propane tank behind you. We got a delay, guys. I don't know what's going on. I don't think that's the end of the fireworks, but we'll sit here for a little bit. Oh, no, no, no. We got it going. Look at this. It's like a big rocket. Wow. I hope this camera is grabbing this footage, guys. I'm not really sure. We'll find it when we do the editing of the video. But I hope this does some justice for you guys so you can see what kind of fireworks we have here in Coburg, Ontario at the Waterfront Festival. It's a beautiful show. A lot of people here down by the water. If you get a chance, come on out next year. With the sun and summer song. Looks like waterfalls, guys. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? Wow. The waves and me. Let's stay here all day long with the sun and summer song. Waves are calling me and you. Surfboard ready, time to ride. Feel the freedom, feel the tide. Summer on the beach, oh yeah. Walking on the sand, okay. Surfing in the sun. Wow, that was a loud one, guys. What a beautiful show. Quite the show, guys, eh?
Surfing in the sun, so free, just the beach, the waves and me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Footprints on the golden shore, laughing, smiling, wanting more. Music plays, the breeze is sweet, dancing with the salty beat. Summer on the beach, oh yeah, walking on the sand, no care, surfing in the sun, so free, just the beach, the waves and me. Let's stay here all day long with the sun and summer song. Yeah, 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 yeah. Summer on the beach, oh yeah, walking on the sand, no care, surfing in the sun, so free, just the beach, the waves and me. Let's stay here all day long with the sun and summer song. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Happy Canada Day, guys. I do believe that's it, guys. If I'm not mistaken. I hope you guys enjoyed that show. I don't know if you guys can see me, but here we go. I hope you guys enjoyed that show. And Mariana and I, hopefully we entertained you guys. Comment, like, share, and subscribe for many more videos just like this. Have a good night, guys. Talk to you soon. Happy Canada Day 2026. Bye for now.